Welcome back, everyone. With Governor Inslee's last executive order, dental offices have been given the green light to reopen with a few special rules moving forward. We're excited to have you back starting Monday, May 18th, and wanted to share with our patient family some of the changes to expect once you arrive. When you call to make your appointment, it will still be our same amazing team members taking your call. They will also be doing a preliminary screening of COVID-related questions dictated by the American Dental Association to ask you at the time of scheduling. If fevers arise or interactions with COVID-positive patients change before your appointment, please call us to reschedule. When you arrive on the day of your appointment, please remain in your vehicle and call to let us know the color and description of that vehicle. One of our team members will meet you to take your temperature as well as re-verify the COVID questions asked at the time of scheduling. You will then be escorted to your treatment room, dropping off your pen in a dedicated area and sanitizing your hands on the way in. At the start of your appointment, you will notice that the friendly faces of our office look a little bit different. Due to the new recommendations from the Washington State Dental Association, our clinical team is wearing higher-level personal protective equipment due to the aerosols commonly produced in a dental office. You will then be instructed to do a pre-procedural rinse of Peroxal or Paradex for 30 to 60 seconds. Please be sure to eject the rinse directly into the cup and not the sink once you are finished. Commonly used areas in our office such as bathrooms, waiting room, and other commonly touched surfaces are being diligently wiped down and sterilized by our team members every hour and after each use. We look forward to seeing you and ask that you join us in our mission to reduce points of contact. We ask that no additional people accompany you to your appointment unless the patient requires a guardian present or if you require assistance like with translating. We are excited in welcoming you in again and are happy to answer any questions you may have about the steps to keep you safe in our practice. Thank you for partnering with our team in keeping you and keeping our team safe and healthy.